They say cars come and go, but great engines? They live forever. There are engines that survive abuse, neglect, and hundreds of thousands of miles, and they still purr like a content cat. These are the legends that mechanics respect and owners swear by. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most reliable engines on the road today. From bulletproof Japanese masterpieces to modern engineering marvels that refuse to quit. So buckle up, because if your car's heart isn't one of these, it might just need a transplant. Number 5. Toyota 2.5-liter A25 AFKS, Camry, RAV4, Lexus ES250. Let's start with a Toyota, because, honestly, was there ever any doubt? Toyota's 2.5-liter A25 AFKS engine is a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder that has quietly become one of the most respected power plants of the last decade. Found in cars like the Camry, RAV4, and Lexus ES250, this engine is a masterpiece of balance, power, efficiency, and longevity. It runs on Toyota's dynamic force technology, combining dual fuel injection, port and direct, with an ultra-efficient Atkinson cycle. Translation: it squeezes every drop of fuel for maximum reliability and minimal wear. Mechanics often joke that this engine doesn't leak. It sweats excellence. Owners regularly report 250,000 to 300,000 miles with only basic maintenance. Oil changes, spark plugs, filters, and that's it. Sure, it's not thrilling. It won't win drag races. But this engine's real flex is never leaving you stranded, even in the middle of nowhere with 100 degrees Fahrenheit heat and a trunk full of regrets. One owner in Arizona drove his 2019 Camry through the desert with zero coolant for 15 minutes before realizing his radiator hose had burst. He topped it off, restarted the car, and it ran perfectly fine. The only thing that died that day was his sense of panic. Number 4. Honda 1.5-liter turbo, L15B7, found in Civic and CR-V. Honda, the brand that turned reliability into an art form. But this time, it's not an old-school VTEC screamer. It's the modern 1.5-liter turbo, codenamed L15B7. Now yes, this engine had a rocky start. Early models faced oil dilution issues in cold climates. But once Honda addressed that with updated software and hardware tweaks, the L15B7 earned its redemption arc. What makes it so impressive today is how it combines efficiency, smoothness, and power without sacrificing reliability. It delivers up to 190 horsepower while sipping fuel like a hybrid on a diet. And thanks to low internal friction and high thermal efficiency, this engine just refuses to die. Owners who maintain them properly, especially with frequent oil changes, are reporting 200,000 plus miles with zero major repairs. The turbo, which many expected to be a weak point, has proven nearly indestructible under normal driving conditions. And when you pair this engine with Honda's impeccable transmission tuning, you get something few automakers can replicate. A small engine that feels confident, mature, and unstoppable. Mini anecdote. A Civic owner once posted online that after hitting 250,000 miles, the only thing that broke was his pride when his wife's CR-V with the same engine had even higher mileage. The engine outlasted their marriage, literally. Number 3. Ford 5.0-liter Coyote V8, Mustang GT, F-150. From the land of torque and thunder, the Ford Coyote V8. This engine proves that not all reliable engines are small and quiet. Some roar, smoke tires, and still live long enough to see their grandkids graduate. Introduced in 2011 and continuously refined, the 5.0-liter Coyote is a modern American icon. It's found in the Mustang GT and F-150, and it's known for handling brutal abuse, drag racing, towing, track days, and coming back for more. What makes it so reliable is its overbuilt internals. Forged crankshaft, aluminum block, variable valve timing, and excellent oil management. With basic care, it's common to see 300,000 miles on these without major rebuilds. Yes, it's thirsty, and yes, it likes premium fuel. But the Coyote has proven that high performance doesn't have to mean high maintenance. Mechanics often say, it's the V8 that just doesn't die. And if you think American reliability is a myth, this engine will make you a believer. A Mustang owner once bragged online that his Coyote survived 2 teenage owners, 6 sets of tires, and 1 drift attempt gone wrong into a curb. The car needed suspension work. The engine didn't even flinch. Number 2, Lexus/Toyota. 3.5-liter V6, 2 GRFKS. You knew it was coming. The 2 GRFKS, Toyota's 3.5-liter V6. If the 2.5-liter we mentioned earlier is dependable, this one is immortal. Used across the Lexus ES350, Toyota Highlander, Tacoma, Avalon, and Sienna, this engine has proven itself in every configuration: FWD, RWD, and AWD. It's smooth, quiet, and nearly indestructible. This V6 has a simple philosophy: do everything well and never complain. It produces between 280 and 300 horsepower, runs cleanly on regular gas, and uses dual injection for longevity. Owners frequently hit 350,000 miles. Some even push past 400,000. The 2 GRFKS earned legendary status because of its ability to tolerate abuse. Forget to change your oil? It forgives you. Drive it hard every day. It'll still purr. Mechanics call it the engine that outlasts the car. Even junkyards test them before scrapping because many of these engines still run perfectly after the chassis gives up. But if you think this is the peak of reliability, wait till you see what took the #1 spot. It's not new, not fancy, but it's practically indestructible. One delivery driver in Texas used a 2012 Camry with this V6 for Uber and courier work. After 500,000 miles, his transmission finally failed, but the engine still started on the first try. The man sold the motor separately for $1,000. Number 1. Honda K24, 2.4-liter inline-4. The king has arrived, the Honda K24, a legend among mechanics, tuners, and car lovers worldwide. Used in everything from the Honda Accord to the CR-V, Civic Si, and even the Acura TSX. This engine redefined what reliability truly means. It's smooth, torquey, simple to maintain, and capable of running forever. What makes the K24 unbeatable is its engineering purity. No forced induction, no complex electronics, and a design philosophy focused on durability. It has a chain-driven DOHC setup, bulletproof pistons, and one of the most efficient cooling systems in the industry. Even with minimal maintenance, K24s easily reach 400,000 to 500,000 miles. Tuners regularly push these engines to over 700 horsepower with upgraded internals, proving how strong the base design is. Mechanics love them because everything is accessible. Changing spark plugs or timing chains doesn't require a degree in rocket science. And owners adore them because they just don't quit. A man in Canada famously ran his K24 Accord for 500,000 miles, then swapped it into another car because it still ran perfectly. His caption? Still idles smoother than my coffee maker. So while car tech keeps evolving, hybrids, EVS, turbo this and that, some engines prove that reliability is timeless. The K24 is proof that perfection doesn't need reinvention. Why reliability still matters. In an age of disposable tech and overcomplicated engineering, engines like these remind us what really matters: trust. When you turn the key, you're not just starting a machine. You're relying on thousands of explosions happening perfectly, thousands of times a minute. That's a miracle. And reliability is what keeps that miracle running for decades. These engines, Toyota's A25A, Honda's L15B7, Ford's Coyote, Toyota's 2 GRFKS, and Honda's K24, represent decades of mechanical excellence. They're the reason some cars become legends while others fade into scrapyards. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep your car running strong, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. Because every week, we drop more data-driven car content that helps you save money, drive smarter, and love your machine longer. And hey, drop a comment below. Which engine do you think deserves the reliability crown? Maybe your car's still running strong after 300,000 miles. We'd love to hear your story. Until next time, this is Zero Lift Media, reminding you, keep it clean, keep it maintained, and keep it running.